Hello everyone and welcome! Right before we begin, make sure to subscribe and click that bell notification button so you'll never miss another video. I'm Troglodidi from SimpleTrade, and today I would like to talk with you about the stock traded under the ticker of CCAJ. In the last couple of days, the stock ran more than 400%. I will now explain why. Since the 4th of May, the company has been updating its OTC markets profile with new consultants, etc. Since then, the company managed to upload all of its necessary filings, verify its profile, and basically fulfill all the requirements for becoming PIN current. But alas, at the time, the company was under the Caveat Emptor sign. Therefore, it was not tradable in multiple brokers, including Interactive Brokers, E-Trade, and TD Ameritrade. Lastly, at the 1st of September, the Caveat Emptor sign was removed from the company's profile. That, combined with the great share structure of the company, resulted in a huge run. Apart from the sharp-eyed ones who made a lot of money on this nice run, what can we learn? Well, apart from actually being a really good sign for the company, the removal of the Caveat Emptor sign allowed the stock to become traded once again in all the brokers. This is quite similar to what is going to happen soon with the incoming deadlines. A lot of companies that are under the stop sign will no longer be tradable after the 3rd of September by the same brokers that restricted the trading of Caveat Emptor stocks. And so, when the companies will move to the yield or PIN current tier, they will possibly provide us with beautiful runs, just like CCAJ did. I hope you have enjoyed the video and learned from it. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and join the Discord community of SimpleTrade for more informative content. See you out there, and I wish you all a successful trading month.